Okay. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today, I got a free sample um, Amazon package. So I'm gonna open it and show you. So I'm gonna open it from the box. So it's like a free sample. I got like a rice water that I ordered. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna open the free sample. Okay. And ooh, this is what free sample. Oh wow. Okay. So this one is called Rose Water. And oh yeah. Alright, so hi guys. So yes, so I got Rose Water and this is a spray bottle, and it basically says this is you can use this for skin. So you can use this for your skin. So wet or soft cotton ball with rose water and apply to clear skin. The mild assessment product tighten pores, gently tone and balance pH levels. Splits on your face for revenge pick me up, rose water. Service as refresh for your skin as well as smoothing around me. Wow. So you can actually use this on your skin. And then hair reduce dandruff and hair growth by applying the scalp. Rose water refresh lost moisturizer for smoother shinier and healthier hair. So this is something if you want your hair to grow, you can actually use this for your skin, use this for your hair, but recommend just use this on your hair first because you don't know, even though they say for your hair, just use it for your skin, um, your natural hair. And then this says 6 months, okay? So you can keep this for like 6 months. Do not put this near your kids. And this is the website right there. I will put in the description. I don't know why it's not showing. And I will tell you guys how I got this. So I did order a rice water bottle on Amazon. I wish I can show you, but I can't show you right now. I ordered a rice water and they gave me this. And all you need to do, you scan this on your phone and the website is right here. So I will put this in the description. So if you're somebody that's interested in this, you can get this. And also, this one also came with this as well. So let's say um, you're happy with the results and you want another one, you can get 100% of your money back. If you want to get like another one of this, you can get that as well. So again, I will put the website in so you can email them and they'll let you know where to ship it to you. Okay, so this is a spray bottle. So I'm gonna open it, smell how it smells. It actually smells so good, you guys. I wish I can make y'all smell this. And you put it in here. I don't know why it won't. Oh, you have to take off the cover. Okay, that's fine. So you put this right here, just like so. Oh, this is too much paper. Hold on a second, y'all. Let me. Okay. So put this in here, and that is your rose water. So this smells really good. So if you want to spray in your hair, and hopefully you will love this. And if you guys want to try, because they say you could try this on your skin. Okay, so this is an ASMR unboxing a skin product. So this is like for hair, even though this is safe for skin, so they say skin product. It's called Rose Water, and if you want to get it, You can order these rose water on Amazon. So I will put the website in, and if you want to scan, you can get this to scan on your phone when you get it in the mail. And this one is another one. So if you feel like you like it and you want to get more, you can get more of these ones. And this is it. So if you guys want to try this, and this actually helps for like for hair growth and reduce dandruff. So if you want to try this. And this says it tells you you get 50% off of your next bottle. So if you like this, you can get another brand of this. And yeah, if you guys want to try this, you guys can try this out. I would recommend you guys try this one. And that's basically it. Okay. So other than that, I'm going to end this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social medias. Let me know what you guys think about this one. If you want to try rose water, you want to try rice water. There's another product if you want to try. There's rose water, rosemary hair oil, rose water, jojoba oil, hickory pear oil, or rice water, which I just mentioned. So if you wanted to go try those ones, you guys can go and try those ones, okay? But this is what I got today in the mail, and that's basically it. And this actually, there's another part. It says this protects is 100% pure and organized. There are no G or CMOs, parments, Agdifield. I can't even pronounce these words. And any type of chemical is basically saying if you're putting this on your skin, just to give you aware, let's say for like any type of safety, if you're somebody that's allergic to like strong scent and you don't want to put this on your skin, recommend don't put on your skin. Even though they did say you can put on your skin, but please try this on your hair. Even though they did say skin, but recommend try this on your hair, because nowadays, when you get products, do you believe in putting things on your skin? Because you don't know what's gonna happen, okay? But other than that, if you're interested, I'll put the website. You can get this to order on Amazon. And I'll put Amazon's website. So if you guys want to go check these products out, you can go check them out. But yeah, that's it for today's video. And I hope you guys enjoy them. And this is the rice water for y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog and my Sunday's vlog. Okay? You guys know me be coming back with more vlogs, okay? Bye bye.